Oh man, loose siding again. Do you have this problem? This piece of siding comes loose every single year. I'm about 10 feet off the ground. This is not a fun repair. What's happening is this lip that it has to clip into is actually too high. So with seasonal and temperature, humidity changes, vinyl siding is expanding and contracting all the time. So this piece has constantly come loose. Now, I've seen homeowners try putting caulk and adhesive in here. Never seems to work, pops out all the time. I've seen homeowners get frustrated and put nails through siding. You don't want to do that. Now, you could, in theory, remove the roofing nails, lower the under piece of siding down, and see if that would bite tighter and hold that channel in place. The problem is that's going to affect the row beneath that affects the row beneath that, and before you know it, you've resided this whole side of the house. I'm going to show you a better way. This is an amazing invention. Loose siding fasteners. This is a patent received product made in the United States. Check the video description for the current price. I have seen the price fluctuate from time to time. This is a 10-piece packet. You can buy larger packets if you want. So the ingenious design, which I said is patented, this is going to be underneath a loose piece of siding. You're going to take your siding clips, feed it through the nail slot. Then you want the curved piece to lock into that channel. Push that up. It's going to go as snug. Every siding is shaped a little bit different right here. And then you're just going to bend this top clip around right there. And that locks it in place so it won't drop down. Now what you've done is your next piece of siding will go into this clip and it will hold it firmly for years and years. You can install these approximately every 6 to 8 inches and you'll be just fine. Okay, so you're simply going to pry back the piece of siding that keeps coming loose and flopping. You're going to get to the nailer strip. You're going to slide your clip through that. Now, if the nails are too tight, you might have to temporarily loosen or remove those. So let's drop one in here. So through the nailing slot, then take that curved piece facing the siding, clip that up into the siding. You actually hear it clip and just fold it on back. Okay, so that's clip one. Let's install another one here. I notice when you bend them back, you do have to pull the siding away from the house so you have enough room to fold it back. The reason they make the clip so long is because they don't know what type of siding you have, and every manufacturer is going to have a different width of clip here. Okay, we have 3 evenly spaced on the piece of siding that always comes on clip. Next, you're just going to click it in place. They do make special puller tools for these. You can just use your own hands, but that tool I think is only $5, so it depends on you if you want that puller tool. Let's start with the side that stays locked in. Now when you look underneath, if you see that metal edge, that siding clip, then you have not clicked it in well enough. When it's properly installed, you'll see no metal clip. You'll only see vinyl siding. I have a cut on my finger. I'm trying not to make it worse. Okay, the 3 metal clips, I don't see them. The siding piece is clicked in and it looks like it's biting nice and tight. That should last for years to come. This is a rapid repair. I know you can do it yourself.